The mouth is where digestion all begins. Teeth are like little hammers that crush food into smaller pieces. And your saliva contains enzymes to start breaking down food even more. It's like a liquid cement mixer. Then your tongue helps to form a ball of food called a bolus that can travel down the esophagus. This tube connects your mouth to your stomach. And when you swallow, muscular contractions in your esophagus called peristalsis help push the bolus all the way down. It's like a squeezing motion. Once inside your stomach, the bolus gets churned around in an acid bath with a pH between 1.5 and 3.5. That's a lot of power to break down food and absorb nutrients. Enzymes also help break down the food into a nutrient-filled soup. From there, the food, now called chyme, makes its way to the small intestine. Here, 95% of nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through these finger-like projections called villi. The small intestine is 7 meters long, so there's lots of room for absorption. After all the nutrients are absorbed, the liver filters the blood and removes any leftover toxins. The gallbladder then releases bile to help break down any remaining fats. And the pancreas releases enzymes to further digest the food. These organs work together like a team to ensure that all the nutrients are absorbed and ready to use by the body. After passing through the small intestine, the leftover waste starts its journey through the large intestine. Here, water is reabsorbed into the body, leaving behind a semi-solid waste. The large intestine is also known as the colon. It's here where the waste will be formed and eventually eliminated from the body. So from the mouth to the anus, your digestive system is a remarkable journey. It's a series of processes that break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. And it all starts with that first bite. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, make sure to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun science videos.